Hello student, welcome to our civics class. From last video we starting the lesson number 4 of civics. The name of our lesson number 4 is urban local government bodies. The name of our lesson number 4 is urban local government bodies. In this lesson contain 3 points. 4.1 is the Nagar Panchayat, 4.2 is the municipal council, and the last one is 4.3 is the municipal corporation. In last video we complete the 2 points. Nagar Panchayat and the Municipal Council. Here student, the sources of revenue of the Municipal Council. Which is the sources of revenue of the Municipal Council? Property tax, educational tax, water tax, tax on markets, and grants from the state government. Now let us start. Next point is, what will you do? Students, here we discuss some points. What will you do? When you hand over your household waste to the waste pickers, what will you do? When you hand over your household waste to the waste picker, I will separate wet and dry garbage. Here we discuss about this question is, the answer is I will separate the wet and dry garbage. Then second point is, the road is water loaded as the water pipe has broken. Second point is, the road is water loaded as the water pipe has broken. I will ring up the municipal office and inform about this mishap. Here we discuss about this point. I will ring up municipal office and inform about this mishap. Then third point is, you notice that unclean, impure water is being used for pani puris. You notice that unclean, impure water is being used for pani puris. Here student, I will desist from eating pani puri. You also, here I will desist from eating pani puri. Then our next point is, many people are throwing plastic bags from the bridge into the river. Many people are throwing plastic bags from the bridge into the river. I will request them not to throw plastic bags in the river as it contaminates water. I will inform them that the local authority has made provision to collect water bags. Then last point is, the municipal council's program to clean the slum areas has been published in the newspaper. But you think that one of the planned action is improper? While appreciating the slum improvement program will bring the erroneous action to the notice of the competent authority by addressing a letter. Next point is, appeal from the municipal council. Here student, calling all citizens to take the following measures to stop breeding of mosquitoes and curb the spread of dengue. Do not stock old tires, coconut shells, empty cans or boxes on your terrace or around your house. In case of persistent fever, go to a doctor without delay. Keep your surrounding clean. In response to the above, what will you do in your house and in the surrounding? Then our next and last point is, municipal corporation. The local body that provides different services to the people in big cities. It's called municipal corporation. The first municipal corporation in Maharashtra was established at Mumbai. Here, what is municipal corporation? The local body that provides. The local body that provides different services to the people in big cities is called municipal corporation. The first municipal corporation in Maharashtra was established at Mumbai. Here student, find out in how many cities of Maharashtra state is the administration carried out through corporation. In which year was the municipal corporation of your city established? The total number of members of municipal corporation is determined so as to be proportion to the population of the city. The election to the corporation are held every 5 years. The elected members are known as corporators. The elected members are known as corporators. They elect a mayor and a deputy mayor from among themselves. They elect mayor and deputy mayor from among themselves. The mayor is considered to be the first citizen of the city. He presides over all the meetings of the corporation. Many important issues regarding the city are discussed. They discuss many important cities about the issue, and decisions regarding the development of city are made in the general body meeting of corporation.